In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link ClickUp and Slack. By the end, you'll have your tasks and updates flowing straight into Slack, so your team can stay aligned without switching tabs. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing into the workspace where you want the integration. It helps to confirm you're in the right space or workspace before you begin, especially if you belong to multiple teams. Once you're in, look for the More menu. Depending on your layout, this may appear as an ellipsis or a drop-down in the top bar or sidebar. Click it to reveal additional options that aren't visible on the main screen. From that menu, choose Apps. This is the integrations area where ClickUp lists all the tools it can connect with. Give the page a moment to load. If you don't see anything right away, a quick refresh usually does the trick. In the Apps list, find Slack. You can scroll or use the search field at the top to locate it quickly. Open the Slack integration page to review a brief description of what it does and any notes about permissions. Click Connect. This begins the authorization process that securely links your ClickUp account to Slack. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow the new window so the connection can proceed. A new Slack window will open. Sign into Slack if you aren't already, and make sure you're using the correct Slack workspace for your team. You'll be asked to review and approve the permissions that allow ClickUp to send messages or updates to Slack. Read through the prompts, then click Allow to complete the connection. Some workspaces require admin approval for new apps. If you see an approval message, contact your Slack admin to enable the integration. When the authorization finishes, you'll be returned to ClickUp. You should now see Slack marked as connected. If it doesn't update right away, refresh the page. From here, you can start using Slack notifications from ClickUp, such as receiving alerts when tasks are created, updated, or assigned. If your team prefers specific channels for updates, make sure those channels exist in Slack and that you have permission to post there. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Verify you have the right permissions in both tools to avoid connection errors. Double-check browser pop-up settings if the Slack window doesn't appear, and always choose the correct Slack workspace during sign-in. That's it. Your ClickUp and Slack are now linked, and your task communication just got a lot smoother.